If I had to give a review on the Ryobi's 20-inch mower, the self-propelled one, it'd be all good. It really would. I think this thing works like a champ. I changed the battery because the other one died, so I'll put that one in. Simple. It's the black one, 20-inch. The grass is really wet. I'm not bagging it today. As you can see, it's really long. And I cut all this up there in the very front on the other side of the fence, over there to the red truck in the front already, with one battery. One battery lasts, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. It's pretty quiet. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm out here mowing the grass. So it's going kind of fast now because I put a new battery in it. So I'm going to turn the self-propelled part down just a little bit. Okay. I got two batteries. I think it's worth it. It's easy. No gas, no oil, no cord to pull. Push the button like I showed you a minute ago. Self-propelled. It bags too, but I don't have the bagger on it because it's pretty long. It's real simple to use. When I'm done, it folds up. Doesn't take up much space. I'm not pushing it. Just squeeze that yellow handle, that green handle. There it goes. Got two headlights on the front. Why? I don't know. Most normal people mow grass during the day. Really isn't any use for the headlights. I have no way to turn them off. Looked on the manual. No way to turn them off. So I guess they're on. Would I recommend this to somebody? Yes, I definitely would. Take a break. All right, we're on a break, so I hope this video helped you in making a decision to buy one of these. And I know I watched a lot of videos on it and reviews and stuff, and some reviews were good. People complained that the battery only lasts 30 minutes or so, but it's part of it. So I'm definitely willing to accept that. No gas, no oil, no string to pull, no priming, no nothing. Just push the button and go. And as simpler as it gets. So if it only lasts 30 minutes, and buy another battery. I got two batteries. And so, yeah, it works really good. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope this helps you out. Thanks, bye.